Looking for the coolest EDC gadgets and everyday carry gear on Amazon? You're in the right place. In this video, we've handpicked the top 35 best EDC tools you can buy in 2025. From pocket knives, multi-tools, and tactical pens to keychain gear, EDC flashlights, and smart survival gadgets. Whether you're building your EDC kit, upgrading your bug-out bag, or just love smart tools, these Amazon finds are compact, powerful, and ready for anything. Let's check them out. Keeping track of your essentials is crucial to avoid the stress of losing valuable items. The Verbzo Smart Tracker offers a compact, lightweight, and powerful solution for locating keys, luggage, wallets, and more. Compatible with Apple's Find My app, it features forgotten reminders, sound alerts, and a global network route navigation to help you locate items easily. Its ultra-thin, waterproof design ensures durability, while Lost Mode uses Apple's vast network to detect your item and send notifications. With strong privacy protection, no subscription fees, and encrypted data, your information stays secure. Whether at home or on the move, this tracker is incredibly reliable for everyday peace of mind. Preventing accidental phone drops is essential in busy or on-the-go situations. Meet the Surfy phone lanyard, a secure, stylish, and comfortable solution with its anti-theft design and integrated clip. Made from premium polyester, it's lightweight and skin-friendly, ensuring all-day comfort without irritation. The adjustable clasp allows you to customize the fit to your wrist, locking your device securely in place. With a fashionable two-color braided style, this two-pack wrist strap is both functional and personalized. The integrated clip easily attaches to backpacks or handbags, while its multi-purpose design makes it perfect for carrying phones, cameras, keys, AirPods, Idaho badges, and more. Ideal for both women and men seeking daily convenience and security. Reliable lighting is essential in emergencies, outdoor adventures, or even daily tasks in dim conditions. The ever-bright rechargeable flashlight delivers dependable performance with a compact, lightweight design that fits easily into your pocket, backpack, or survival kit. This 500-lumen LED flashlight features both a front head LED and Cobb side light, offering 7 versatile modes, including high, low, strobe, red light, and red strobe. A magnetic base and pocket clip provide hands-free convenience and secure attachment. Long press to switch between LED and Cobb and enjoy smart memory that resumes in the last mode. USB-C rechargeable in just 3.5 hours. It's ideal for camping, repairs, walking, and emergencies. Precision, portability, and discreet utility are essential for anyone needing a reliable everyday carry tool. The Coast Founder's pocket knife from the Select series is a gentleman's EDC folding knife crafted for versatility, style, and performance. Featuring a Japanese-style tanto blade made from CR18 MOV stainless steel, it offers exceptional edge retention, easy resharpening, and a sharp, angled tip for precise cutting. The blade glides smoothly on bearings for lightning-fast deployment via a finger-actuated flipper. A classic liner lock ensures safe use, while the micarta or aluminum handles provide a durable, comfortable grip. With a reversible deep carry pocket clip, replaceable colored spacer, and titanium nitrate coated blade options, this sleek knife is ideal for both urban and outdoor adventures. Managing multiple devices efficiently requires a fast, clutter-free charging solution that keeps your workspace organized. The Basius Nomos charging station delivers high-speed performance and convenience with Qi 2 certified 15-watt magnetic wireless charging. 2x faster for MagSafe compatible iPhones, alongside a 100-watt retractable USB-C cable and 140-watt of GaN fast charging for powerful devices like MacBook Pro. Its smart power allocation ensures optimized energy distribution across all ports, while the adjustable magnetic stand tilts up to 60 degrees for flexible positioning. The compact, portable design includes neat cable storage to reduce desk clutter, and the real-time LCD gives instant power feedback. This all-in-one hub is ideal for boosting productivity at home, in the office, or on the go.